Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of MEXC trading, a vibrant platform that offers endless opportunities for both new and experienced traders. If you're looking to enhance your trading experience and maximize your potential returns, you're in the right place. MEXC has quickly gained popularity due to its user-friendly interface and a wide variety of trading options. Whether you're interested in spot trading, futures, or even trading cryptocurrencies with leverage, MEXC has got you covered. One of the key benefits of using MEXC is its competitive trading fees, making it an attractive choice for traders who want to optimize their profits. But that's not all. By using the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up, you can unlock exclusive benefits and bonuses. This special code grants you access to discounts on trading fees, allowing you to keep more of your earnings. Imagine what you could do with those extra savings: more trading, more investments, and more opportunities to grow your portfolio. MEXC also prides itself on its robust security measures, ensuring that your funds are safe and secure. With advanced encryption technology and various authentication processes, you can trade with peace of mind knowing that your assets are protected. In addition to its excellent trading features, MEXC provides its users with comprehensive analytical tools and real-time market data. These resources empower you to make informed decisions and refine your trading strategies. Whether you're looking to swing trade or hold long-term, MEXC equips you with the tools you need to succeed. So, if you're ready to start your trading journey with MEXC, don't forget to use the referral code 12K4M5 during registration. By doing this, not only do you enhance your own experience, but you're also joining a growing community of traders who are eager to learn and profit together. Thank you for tuning in to Crypto Horizon. Remember, the world of MEXC trading is at your fingertips, and with the right tools and strategies, you can reach new heights in your trading journey. Happy trading! And don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content.